How to buy Robux with Microsoft gift card. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can buy Robux with Microsoft gift card. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Microsoft Store in your device. After you open it up, you have to click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Once you're here, click on redeem code or gift card. You will find a pop-up box displayed on your interface. Here you have to enter your gift card and then the amount will be added into your Microsoft account. Once you have added your gift card code, click next. Then once the amount is added into your Microsoft account, now you can open up Roblox in your device. After you open up Roblox, and if you're logged in, click on this Roblox icon at the top right corner. Now from this interface, you could buy Robux. Here you have to select the amount that you want to buy, click on it. After that, you will have an option to buy it with your Microsoft. Select the Microsoft and then log in into your Microsoft account, and then with the amount added into your Microsoft account, you could directly buy Robux. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.